Hi guys, and how are you all going? Today, let me introduce you to the Fidget Cube. It's like the what's inside colours, blue and white. Yes, what's inside. So big shout out to what's inside. Big shout out to Destiny Butler and all them YouTubers who are famous out there and doing all vlogs and that. Yeah, so subscribe, leave a like, comment down below if you got like a fidget cube or a fidget spinner, fidget cubes, anything like. Yeah, so just subscribe. That'll make me happy. It'll make me so happy if we can hit 1 subscriber. Well, 11 subscribers because I'm on 10 subscribers. So let's hit 11 subscribers. So I need 1 more subscriber, then I've got 11 subscribers. Catch you later, guys. Peace.